Let's see what is the difference between Android versus Windows OS. Android operating system is primarily designed for smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Windows operating system is primarily designed for desktop computers, laptops, and workstations. Android operating system is based on the Linux kernel. Windows operating system is developed by Microsoft using the Windows NT kernel. Android operating system is an open-source platform managed by Google. Windows operating system is a proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft. Android operating system is optimized for touchscreen interfaces and mobile usage. Windows operating system is optimized for keyboard, mouse, and desktop environments. Android operating system uses the Google Play Store for downloading applications. Windows operating system uses the Microsoft Store and traditional desktop software installations. Android operating system generally consumes less system resources and storage. Windows operating system typically requires more system resources and storage space. Android operating system supports applications mainly developed using Java and Kotlin. Windows operating system supports applications developed using languages such as C#, C++, and .NET technologies. Android operating system is widely used in smartphones from various manufacturers. Windows operating system is widely used in personal computers and business environments. Android operating system provides extensive customization options for mobile users. Windows operating system provides extensive customization options for desktop users. Android operating system examples include Android 14, Android 15, and later versions. Windows operating system examples include Windows 10, Windows 11, and later versions. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.